experience the thrill of FPV racing like never before with the Skyzone SKY04X V2 OLED FPV goggles. Get ready to take your racing to the next level with cutting-edge features designed to enhance your FPV experience. Introducing the first Skyzone goggles with focus adjustment. The 1280x960 high-resolution OLED screen delivers vivid colors and incredible contrast, allowing pilots to see more details in every race. Say goodbye to image tearing and rolling thanks to the innovative SteadyView receiver. By merging two signals into one, this receiver ensures a stable and clear image, even in the most challenging conditions. With a 46-degree field of view and adjustable focus, the Sky04X V2 offers a truly immersive FPV experience. And setting up your goggles is easier than ever with the new user interface, available in 10 languages. But that's not all. Record your epic flights with the built-in DVR, capable of capturing footage at 60 FPS. And with the 3-axis accelerometer and gyroscope head tracker, you'll feel like you're right in the cockpit. Whether you're racing indoors or outdoors, the Sky04X V2 has you covered with advanced screen settings and customizable presets. And with the convenient shuttle wheel control, navigating through menus has never been easier. Don't miss out on the ultimate FPV racing experience. Like, share, and comment if you're ready to take your racing to new heights. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates. Click the link in the description to buy now and join the FPV revolution.